Hey everyone, welcome to Weekend Hero. I'm Ashley. Today I picked up a couple of free things. Two of them for my kids, one for the whole family, and I picked them up for free. Gonna attempt to repair them. So one of the stuff I got, somebody threw out this perfectly, well, it's not perfect, it's all rusted out or whatever, but two-seater bicycle. Needs a new seat, chains all rusted, brake lines are rusted, some of the areas. Get that fixed up. Another thing I got is this little type of pink house for the backyard. It was sitting outside in someone's backyard for a long time, so it just needs a good power wash. And then from the looks of it, that's pretty much it. And another thing I found is this is a picnic table, which I am starting to disassemble. I wanted to disassemble it before the video, but I guess I'll capture some of the problems I'm having. Like, this was sitting outside for a long time. I can tell because just some of the screws I've been pulling out look somewhere like that. And some other ones look even worse. And they're just crumbling. So, I'm attempting to pull them out. I'm having a lot of troubles with that. I'm gonna try to drill them out now, and then I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get some replacement parts. So stay tuned. All right, it's several hours later now. I just finally got to getting all those rusty screws off the so dizzy now. It's been a couple hours. So I got the rusty screws off the picnic table. I literally had to destroy all the screws, nuts and bolts actually, sorry, the nuts and bolts. Just let me show you the pile here. So this is the pile. All you can see is all the heads. I had to unscrew them and literally just decapitate all these bolts. These nuts are just rusted on there, every single one of them. But I got all the pieces disconnected. Unfortunately, it is now very late, so I'm gonna pick this up another day because I don't want to pressure wash outside in the dark. Alright, so I'm still in the middle of pressure washing. But one thing I wanted to know, I'm gonna put some relief holes in this guy in the water because it holds a lot of water and I don't want that to happen. Still got to do some more cleaning. See some Crayola stuck in there. Also these guys, some of these are filled with water, so I'm gonna make some relief holes so the water can just pour out when it rains outside and it doesn't store inside the tubes. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue washing. All right, so I'm gonna poke some relief holes in some of these things just to get the water out of them. So this is one of the pieces that's actually retaining water. I'm gonna poke relief holes and show you what's going on. Rinse and repeat for the rest of the parts. Catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so cleaned up all the parts. Here they are. Put them in my kitchen so I can work here on the floor. Gonna go ahead and start assembling all this. Okay, that wraps up the picnic table. A bit discolored, but still functional.
You don't want to go in the house again?
Cuidado.
It's clean, Mama.
All right, with that, I finished both the picnic table and a little house. To add to the addition of stuff we have in the backyard, these two.
And sit. Sit.
Thank you for watching. Tune in next time. My name is Ashley. This was Weekend Hero. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.